Hello and welcome to SatTV. I'm Brian Dolby at CommunicAsia in Singapore, and I'm talking to Daniel Enns of Comtech EF Data. Daniel, the World Cup's on at the moment. There's World Cup fever all around us, and I think you have more than a personal interest in the World Cup at the moment.
Certainly, cheering for Paraguay, which is one of my nationalities, and Germany, the other one, is obviously part of it, but really a bigger picture is the satellite. Satellite is a relevant transport for both contribution and broadcast and backup to fiber. And Comtech CDM710 DVB-S2 modulator is today the enabler in all 10 stadiums. It was selected by SatTV, which is the official broadcast group selected by FIFA to actually do the infrastructure at the 10 stadiums. And so, yes, I have been actually for the Confederation Cup already. The system was used. Fiber had failed, and it became the main contribution means of doing the football game in HD, in high definition, over DVB-S2. And so, yes, we are very anxious to see that that system will all work well. And so far, we've seen some great pictures, and indeed, DVB-S2 is the enabler to being able to do HD and much less bandwidth than we would have to have done in DVB-S. So it's great technology, great to also see it being part of the World Cup right now in action.
Hey, you must be really proud that it's your company that's playing such an important role.
Absolutely, absolutely. And that is for our company being a great motivator to actually come a little bit more out in the open. We are a very niche player in the broadcast, but have a very strong play. Most of the direct-to-home, direct-TV in the United States are all using our DVB-S2 modulators, and so we are a very strong participant in the industry, but generally from the modulator side, not from the video encoding, but the transport of on satellite is a key technology that we are definitely part and proud of, also being part now of the World Cup.
Absolutely. Now, earlier this year at the Satellite 2010, you showed your advanced VSAT systems. How's that all progressing?
Certainly. We've definitely been in SCPC modem, FDMA modem company. We're definitely known by that for trunking applications. Many of our modems, though, are used in a system and a multi-point solution. We have yet to have had a dedicated product for multi-point applications. And so this is our first, from the ground up, dedicated platform to addressing multi-point solutions, where we take the advantage of DVB-S2, adaptive coding modulation in the forward channel, and then using our patented proprietary low latency VersaFEC for the return channel. This makes for a very efficient solution, but also takes advantages of newer forward error correction, modulation, adaptive coding modulation, and have it all delivered so that you can do both voice, data, and we have now incorporated into this product a lot of the technology that we've been working for years with, products such as the Memotech or the Verso and NMS products that incorporate now the optimization of voice specifically for the mobile operators. And we try to bring that all in technology of DVB-S2, VersaFEC return channel, payload compressors, headers compression, and actually doing RAN, or the radio access network for the mobile operator optimization, right incorporating into the terminal itself. This way you don't need two different boxes to do one or the other, and it allows us to do seamless IP as well as synchronous E1 for these type of applications where dedicated resources are needed. Actually, this product is really focused on addressing the next billion subscribers for the mobile operator. Today in the market, the interesting thing is while in the past the fixed line operator was put with the obligation to provide services to the outbound areas or outlying areas. Today, the mobile operator, as part of his frequency plan or his frequency acquisition or rights to frequencies, also took on the responsibility of fulfilling the universal service obligations, or how to reach the unreached or the less, especially, and that is now becoming for many of them a must. And it has to be very cost effective, and yet the population density are the lowest. And so finding technologies such as satellite again, where I can reach these lower density population groups, is where this multi-point solution of the advanced VSAT leverages in being able to aggregate the many users better, and yet be very efficient to do voice and data services of what customers are come to expect from a Comtech SCPC link, but now do it in a shared environment.
And you've had a lot of interest, I take it.
Tremendous interest, actually. We have many mobile operators and service providers are looking for a solution that is somewhere in between the high-speed trunking SCPC and the shared environment, but doing still SCPC-like services or dedicated committed rate of information delivery, but do it efficiently.
Okay, well, good luck with the World Cup, and thanks very much for speaking to us.
Thank you very much.